coding is dead in 2026.
Coding is not dead.
Will AI take away your job? Everyone is asking the same question. Is coding really dead in 2026? Well, the short answer is yes. The way you used to code, memorize syntax, fight with missing semicolons is dead and buried. But if you're thinking software engineering is dead, then you are completely wrong, my friend. Look at the landscape today. AI hasn't replaced developers, but it has exposed the weak ones. It has filtered out those who are just relying on syntax and typing it, and they think that this is the entire thing in software engineering. So they are eliminated, but the ones who knows how to build an architecture is getting elevated. In 2026, code itself is just a commodity. It is cheap and instant. Here is the reality. Value isn't in writing a function. Instead, value is in knowing which function to write. In simple words, we have shifted from manual coding to logic orchestration. But I must say, my friend, this is the actual root of coding. You need to know the algorithms, the logic part. That's what you have to apply. Whether you are a developer or a non-developer, you have to apply the logic. And that's where many people are missing out. And if you're still trying to compete with AI on speed, then I'm sorry, my friend, you will lose every time. In order to win over AI, you need to know the things that AI cannot do it very easily as of now, like building complex systems. There are a lot of complexity integration in a system, the business logic nuances, the architecture decision. These things AI cannot take it itself. It needs a brain, the human brain. That's where you come in play. So you have to upskill yourself to get all this. Now the big question comes, how do you code in 2026 efficiently? Well, it's pretty simple. Stop being a labor. Treat AI as junior developers who will do the laborer's job. That also 24/7. And you be the architect, the one who audit the code, the one who performs the architecture, the one who can deploy the stuff. Now you might think, hey Nikhil, that's your opinion. You are an educator and you have to say it. Well, that's a very fair point. And to resolve your doubt, what I did is I talked to many industry people who are working in this industry at a good position across the globe. Some are team leaders, some are architects, some are the CTOs, some are building the architecture themselves. So there are a lot of people, but among those, I have brought up few of the interviews for you for this particular question itself. I asked the same question, is coding dead in 2026? And let's see what their reply is. Let's go.
Will AI take away your job? Maybe, maybe not. But someone utilizing AI to its core would end up replacing you someday by being time efficient, by being resourcefully efficient, by being financially efficient. AI is no more looked as a future skill in 26. It has become a part of our lifestyle and work habit. People adapting AI would grow for sure. People resisting would end up crying in front of an astrologer someday. Thank you.
To the question if coding is dead in 2026, I don't think so. Coding is dead with the arrival of AI. I feel coding is actually evolving. We need not write code from scratch, but I mean, LLMs are doing it for us for now. But I don't think, at least in the near future, it will never be like that AI is completely coding for us without human intervention. I think still need to understand if the code is production ready and if it is actually scalable. Also, the edge cases scenarios also needs to be verified by. It totally depends upon the prompts. In case if you misses some scenarios, LLM might or might not cover those scenarios. So in that case, there is a good chance of getting some bugs. The way we code has changed. Now we will code with the help of AI.
In my opinion, coding is not dead as of 2026 because despite the advancements in artificial intelligence, a developer must understand the fundamentals and the underlying basics of coding to actually understand the outputs generated by a large language model like OpenAI or ChatGPT or Gemini.
Alright, you heard them. Let me know in the comment section what do you think, what's your opinion on it. And if you want more such interviews, do let me know in the comment section. I'll bring more for you guys. Now before concluding, I would like to say one more thing. For coding, the tool has just changed, but not the mission. building software is still the highest leverage skill across the globe. So if you want to stay relevant, stop crying that coding is dead. Instead, start mastering the new machine. Make use of the tools with the help of which you can do all this work very easily and master it. So if you want to upskill yourself, we have a lot of courses available. Do check the curriculum first. Be assured that it will help you out because these are made for industry purpose only, to make you industry ready. Because the main agenda is to solve a problem. And that's what you need to learn by learning all these technologies. Alright? So friends, I'm Nikhil Agarwal signing off for the day. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and do like the video and share it up. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next lecture. Bye.